हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू मिस्टर एंड मिसेस माटवनकर व्लॉग्स। जैसे मैंने आपको मेरे पहले व्लॉग में बोला था कि मैं दुबई जाने वाली हूँ। सो टुडे इज़ द डे आई एम ट्रैवलिंग टू दुबई एंड हियर वी आर ऑन द वे टू द एयरपोर्ट। सो हम एयरपोर्ट के लिए निकले सुबह, बट दैट देयर वॉज अ बिग ट्विस्ट बिकॉज इट वॉज लाइक अ वीक डे। सो ऑफिस आवर्स में निकले थे और इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक था। दिस ऑल पीपल केम टू ड्रॉप मी एंड आयांश एट द एयरपोर्ट। सो बहुत ट्रैफिक के बाद हम पहुँचे छत्रपति इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट। आप देख सकते हो व्यू इतना मस्त लग रहा था बिकॉज इट इज़ अ रेनी सीजन, सो इट वॉज लाइक ग्रीनरी एवरीवेयर. Finally, after 2 hours, we reached at the airport, and only 1.5, no, not even 1.5, only 1 hour 15 minutes left. So I was like rushing and like running to the entry gate, and you can see here I was waiting for my father to come, and then once he came, then I just ran to the security check. I did my quick security check-in and then went inside. I did my immigration after like 1 hour struggle because I end up having 4 kg luggage extra like in check-in. So I had to pay like 5,460 rupees something. But yeah, it was already late. The boarding has started and I had to pay. I was having no choice left, so I paid that amount and rushed to the airport for the boarding. After immigration, security check again, and lot of things. After a lot of huddles, finally you can see we were like he was roaming here and there. He was so happy because that time also he was like crying, and in between I was doing all the stuff. So it was very little stress, but yeah, having a infant with us or a toddler with us while traveling, it's good. Like it's an enjoyment, something new experience. Every time whenever you travel you will get a new experience with the kids, so it is good moments. If you like to ask me any questions like what to carry for the toddler, to eat in the flight or while traveling, or what are the essential things to carry, drop in the comments. I will reply all of them. Everyone was staring at him because he was roaming alone happily, and the view was so mesmerizing, and we were so all excited and happy to see Ashish other side of the world. So it was a happy moment. So we board the plane. However, there was some traffic congestion or something. I don't know. I have no idea. But we were waiting at the airport like for like more than 45 minutes, and then so he was having sip of water and enjoying the view, and he was happy because there was like two empty seats beside us. There were like no one sitting on the beside us, so he was happy. He was roaming here, and then finally I had some milk and then slept, and then it was me time, so I was enjoying the view. It was like spectacular and it was amazing. Whenever we are traveling in the daytime, I love the view. I always sit in the window seat and just stare at the sky. It is my moment. So after a quick nap, वो उड़ गया था और he was playing with the menu card which air hostess had offered us for the lunch. So he was enjoying because no one was sitting beside us. You can see I was taking some memory, small clips of us. So here he started crying, so I had left with no choice to give him some screen time. However, we at home we never show him screen. There is no screen time for him, but sometime we end up showing him Discovery Channel so that he is aware of the animals, birds and all. Here they served us delicious meal lunch. It was good. Like I will rate out of 5, I will rate 3. It was good. There was like 2 paneer matar and chicken biryani, and then lot of desserts and appetizers. It was good. After lunch in 20 minutes we landed in UAE. So here in Dubai arrival, I had booked Marhaba services. Here you can see the lady holding my name waiting for us. So after some 2 minutes the buggy came and we left for the immigration, and Ayansh was just enjoying the view. He is not even looking at me when I was calling him, and he was like enjoying. He was not believing like where I am. So you can see the whole process, whole time he was like looking here and there and having a good time. And even this was my first experience in airport, experiencing a buggy. So it was good. And then finally, Mr. Matvankar, we saw him and we were so happy when he was excited to see us. First of all, appreciation for the husband. He bought us such a beautiful bouquet, and then this daddy son moment, it was like treasure to the eyes. And finally, we came outside the airport. Also, I would like to recommend Marhaba services if you are traveling with infant kids or senior citizens. It is the best services you can have. And after paying the parking, we left for home. And here, Ayan's father, has bought a banana. He is obsessed of. And here you can see the beautiful Dubai. If you like my vlog, please like, comment, subscribe, and share as many people you can share. Thanks for watching.